Alrighty guys, so today we're gonna go check out something pretty sweet. I have a buddy that picked up a pretty fast Subaru. He says it makes 650 wheel horsepower on E85. So we're gonna check that out, maybe have some fun. I don't know what to expect. I haven't had anything that fast in a long time, so I guess we're just in for the ride. We're gonna go check it out though.
Just come up and I was like, fuck, it's only got 94,000 miles on it. It's fucking 94,000 miles on it. It's pretty cheap for all the parts that it has on it. I was like, fuck yeah.
Nice.
Okay. Oh,
That was only 100.
I know. It's
Strong, huh? Come on. I'm filming.
this will give it the full vroom vroom.
Hopefully.
Oh boy.
I don't know when it's going to be full either, so hopefully I don't fucking spill it everywhere.
I just put like 5 gallons.
Fill this fucker up.
Okay. Have you done this before? I guess you have.
Huh.
Oh! Oh
close
my
up on that.
goodness.
Mm-hmm.
Hey!
Okay. What are you doing? That looks good.
What's going on?
Just taking the beast out for a cruise.
Damn right.
The whole car was shaking.
Yeah.
Gills, ported turbine housing, ported compressor cover, all kinds of stuff. Like the most you can get out of it.
Nice.
His next step up from this would be a rotated like on mine with the big turbo that sits out here. Oh, burn that
Hey,
clutch.
what was that?
Drop that. Drop the hammer.
No.
Yeah.
No, no, I mean, you're gonna drive like shit.
Yeah, a little more rowdy.
Yeah, it seems a little more. Yeah, it's got a little bit more torque for sure. Yeah, she's sweet. She's fast. Definitely makes me want something fast again. I should get one.
It's a lot of fun.
Yeah. Are you gonna do anything else to it?
Probably gonna blow it up.
Subaru stuff? Yeah. Yeah. Do you like it though?
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's pretty scary.
Yeah. Yeah, you scared us pretty good. Or me at least. well, yeah, hopefully we're gonna keep doing some cool stuff. You know, we got a lot more truck meets, car meets, motorcycles, we do it all. So whatever we're doing that's fun, we're gonna put it on the YouTube. But yeah, stay tuned for what's to come. Hopefully some good stuff.